your right, on your right. So on your right. So on your right. So on your right.
Soha, one last girl. Soha. Soha.
Yes, well, this is a wonderful initiative. Kunal and I have actually been a part of the Share the Load movement, which was initiated by Ariel a few months ago. And they came up with the Wash Bucket Challenge as well, trying to get men to contribute towards doing the laundry, which is one of the areas that women feel that men can contribute the most easily, because it really doesn't take a genius to do the washing, especially when you have products like Ariel Matic, which make it very simple for you to do your clothes. And today, in conjunction with Masaba, we've launched a wonderful label, which is actually a men and women's wash care fabric label, which makes it easy, because for people who haven't washed clothes before, and we're assuming that a lot of them are men perhaps, it makes it easy for you to know how to wash clothes.
So also the fact that we have washing machines and other sophisticated machines, has that actually made men also chip in with laundry? Is that also a reason?
I think it certainly made doing chores easier, and because all of us, men and women, are working now, we want to minimize time. So certainly technology has helped, products have helped, and what we want is for mindsets to change, and that has nothing to do with technology, which is what I think the movement is about. In spite of technology, men just feel that doing laundry is a woman's job by default, and that's something that we're trying to change, and we're trying to say that a happier marriage would be the result of people contributing more equally in the domestic place as well.
कुणाल, आप कितना हेल्प किया करते थे सोहा को?
सोहा मैं बचपन से ना, मैं जिस घर में पला बड़ा हूँ, मैंने हमेशा मेरी रुचि रही है, चाहे वो खाना बनाना हो या मम्मी की हेल्प करना हो. My father used to also help out my mother. So I've really enjoyed doing this, and in a lot of ways it's made me independent, because when I was living on my own, it really helped to not kind of shell out the money to hire house help, but do it yourself. It's also kind of really fulfilling to be able to be independent and do your own stuff on your own. And I know कि बहुत सारे लोग ये कहते हैं कि यार मर्द पूरे दिन ऑफिस जाते हैं, काम करता है, फिर घर पे आके थका होता है, तो अब कपड़े भी धोएगा क्या? मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि अगर मर्द अकेले रहेंगे तो ये कौन करेगा? खुद ही करने पड़ेंगे या गंदे कपड़े पहनने पड़ेंगे? तो ये फिर ये मान लेना कि जब आपकी शादी होगी तो आपकी वाइफ काम नहीं करेंगी, ये अगर ये ऑलरेडी आपका प्री सोल्यूशन है तो फिर आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. बट आई एम सेइंग आज हम इस दौर में हैं जहाँ पे women and men are equal when it comes to work. So I can also say that the woman also works all day and she comes back, and it's great if you can help out at home to have a happier marriage at the end of the day. So I think Ariel's backed that initiative very well by launching this Share the Load movement. So both of us are very happy to be a part of it.
But even in the rural parts of India, it is still the same. The woman does the laundry and the man is the master of the house. How do you think this can change?
Actually, I have, while I was growing up, I've traveled a lot, and my cousin was living in Dehradun, so I used to visit them. All of those boys washed their own clothes, and they lived on their own. So I beg to differ. I mean, I know there are places where men just won't do it. And hence, for people like that, we are trying to kind of start this movement to say that, जैसे आपने कहा, we have these wonderful returns now that make it so simple. It's not कि पहले बाल्टी में कपड़े धो, फिर उसे बैट से और पूरा साफ करो, फिर उसे टांगो, निचोड़ो, फिर भी दाग नहीं निकलेंगे. You put it in the washing machine, put the powder, धो लिया, dryer में कर दिया, निकाले, smell really good.
It's a nice way to exercise your body, right?
It is. So if you look at it that way, then it's great. I mean, that's another. But I don't think now people really want to do that.
Technology makes things simpler.
Yeah.
You said you don't really like doing laundry. Given the fact that mother is not
Pick that up.
given the fact that your mother is still not your husband yet, who does laundry at your place?
My maid. But no, but what I mean is that I'm not someone who enjoys doing it myself. It's not that I don't want, but I just think that when you're at home, you have a lot of house help and people like that who do things for you. But I think the initiative was very different. The idea was to say that men can do it and women can also do it. Working women can also do it. So I think it's not that tiresome anymore. Like they said, it's all there for you. The instructions are all there, so you literally can come home knackered, but you can still. You just have to press a button and everything is done for you.
Right.
So yeah.
Soha and Kunal, you don't have maids, I mean, not like
No, we do have house help. Actually, we do a lot of this when we're traveling, and so we rent an apartment. We live there, so we'll share the chores there. I mean, she's not very good at cooking, so I do that. She's very good at laundry. She does that.
Everyone has their own strengths and weaknesses, and I think that you should play to them. I do love my clothes. We invest a lot in our clothes, as Masaba was saying on stage. Well, it's very important, and so it's very important for those clothes to be maintained well and to look good. So I'm a bit of a control freak, so I like to do laundry. I also feel that it's quite it's therapeutic in a way. Those clothes going round and round in a tumble dryer. Maybe that's just me, but I think that. One will see, it's not that I don't enjoy doing the laundry, it's just a question of we're trying to get men to say that it's not a woman's job by definition. There's no such thing, and it doesn't make you less of a man to do the laundry, because I think that mindset is very prevalent, especially in India.
No, you're working on a lot of films.
Not doing laundry, he's using that.
Yeah, actually, I'm always in the same. No, but I like to be fit, and I kind of work out every day.
He's actually very fit. It's just that I think some of you saw a little bit too much of him today.
You're doing a movie on Indira Gandhi assassination, right?
It's actually post Indira Gandhi's assassination. It's on the, yes. Very briefly, because that's not what we're here today. It's 24 hours set post Indira Gandhi's assassination, set in Delhi, of course, on the 1980 Sikh pogrom that took place, and I get to play a Sardarni.
On a lighter note, who does the laundry between Saif and Kareena?
Who knows? I don't know. You have to ask them.
अच्छा, शादी के बाद जो है हीरोइन की लाइफ जो है एकदम से खत्म हो जाती है, तो आप इस बारे में क्या सोचते हो? मतलब फिल्मों में
कुछ भी नहीं, आपने तो
खत्म ही कर दिया.
फिल्मों में कम हो जाती है, तो उस बारे में आप दोनों का क्या सोचना है?
I think now things have changed. और मेरी अपनी फैमिली में मेरी जो रोल मॉडल है, मेरी जो माँ है, आराधना रिलीज आफ्टर शी वाज मैरिड, जनवरी में. उनकी शादी दिसंबर में हुई, उसके बाद आराधना आई. उसके बाद एक्चुअली मोस्ट ऑफ हर हिट्स हैपेंड. सो आई हैव नेवर सीन दैट इन फ्रॉम द 1960s. आई हैवंट सीन दैट, एंड आई थिंक द थिंग्स आर डिफरेंट नाउ.
कुणाल, आपसे जानना चाहिए कि मैचेस बॉलीवुड पर बुरा असर करती है फिल्म्स पर, इसको लेकर के?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगता कि अब वो टाइम रहा है, क्योंकि आई थिंक जब शुरू होता है तो इनिशियल फ्यू डेज एंड देन व्हेन जो फाइनल डेज होते हैं तब थोड़ा बहुत फर्क होता होगा. बड़े देश में क्रिकेट और बॉलीवुड ये दो इंडियन बिजनेस, दो रिलीजन है, और इन्हें लोग बाकायदा करते हैं. और पिछले अब सालों में कुछ हम जानते हैं कि बहुत सारी बॉक्स ऑफिस सक्सेसेस आके दौरान रही हैं. तो अब मुझे पता है कि कई फिल्में तो दौड़ लगा रही कि नहीं, हम IPL के टाइम आएंगे इस पैच में, क्योंकि इस टाइम लास्ट ईयर ये फिल्म हिट हुई थी. So I don't think it really affects the business too much.
So आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी?
I think now you can record the things that you don't get a chance to see. You want to see them, and you can always see them later. I think I agree with Kunal completely. It maybe in the first few days and maybe the finals, but I think that you'll always make time to see the movie that you want to see in the cinema.
I have a film called Guddu Ki Gun, which is a comedy that will release I think in 2 months. So that is another action film with T-series.
Okay, anything is over in the pipeline?
Not yet.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.